So today's topic is finite and non-finite verbs. Do
Okay.
you have any idea about that verbs?
I think
Finite and non-finite.
non-finite. I don't have any idea. Please
Okay.
describe some more. Yes.
Okay. So today I'm going to describe you both of these. Okay. Finite and non-finite. So suppose there are verbs. We have a lots
Okay.
of verb. Okay. It may be all
Yes.
verbs. Come, go, read, eat, come, sleep, want, talk,
Yes.
every words. So these are base form of the verb. Okay, we
Okay.
have base form of the verb. So these verbs are used in many ways. Okay, we use these verbs in a sentences, in tenses,
Okay.
and voices, and many other things. We always use these verbs in different way. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we categorize both of these verbs in two parts, okay? Finite and non-finite. So if I talk about the finite verbs, so verbs that changes their form,
Yes.
verbs that changes their form according to tense. These are
Okay.
finite verbs. All
Okay.
those words which can be changed their form according to place, according to subject. So these are our finite verb. Okay,
Oh,
it means I go to the market. I go. Okay, so it could be changed by using other subject. He goes. I go.
okay.
He goes. She goes. We go.
Yes.
So you can see that there a verb is getting changed.
True. Yes. Yes.
It's
It's true.
getting changed by all with the according to the subject. Okay,
Yes.
and if I change the tense, I went. I went.
Okay.
Yeah. So go is changed into went.
Yes.
So these are finite verbs because these are getting changed by the subject or according to the tense. Okay.
Yes.
But there are so many infinite verbs which are never be changed by according the situation. They always they always on their forms. Okay.
Okay.
As we have read about the infinitive.
Yes.
Infinitive
Yes. Infinite.
doesn't.
Yes. To
Yeah.
read. To read. To
Yeah,
go.
so
Yes.
these are
To
not
eat.
change their form anymore. They will
Yes.
not change their form in any condition. They are as it is. Whether we can change the all the sentence, all the tense, but the position of that infinitive is not going to be changed.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so there are three things which don't change their place. Okay, their forms. Okay,
Okay.
two plus verb means infinitive,
Work. Yes.
gerund,
Infinite.
gerund you
Zero.
have talked about before,
Yes.
and the participles and
Participle.
participles. These
Okay.
three verbs are that type of verbs which never can be changed according to the subject or according to the tense.
Okay.
They still remain on their forms. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
whether we can change the subject, we can change the tense, but these are not going to be changed. They are established on their form. Okay, so
Yes.
these are non-finite verb. Non-finite,
Okay.
it
Non
means they
finite.
are not going to change their position. Yeah, non-finite.
Okay. Non finite.
So
Yes.
you can say that we can say that the verb which can be changed according to tense and according to subject, it is finite
The
verb, and the
yes.
verb which is
Finite.
not going to change, yeah,
That is non
according to
finite.
tense and according to verb,
Yes.
so it is our non-finite verb. Every non-finite verb used as a noun, as an
Noun.
adjective, as an adverb, yeah, on that
Okay.
case.
Okay.
Okay. But sometimes we are using have done, have come, have invited. So if we are using have, had, has, but
Okay.
the verb is still invited in their third form.
Yes.
Verb
Yes.
is not going to be changed. We can
Okay.
use have. we can use has, we can use had, but verb is still remains on their its form. Okay, so it can be also a non-finite verb.
Okay, non-finite.
Okay,
That's good.
so are you getting it or not?
Yes, I'm getting it because we earlier we discussed about finite, so it's really good. And
Yeah,
now it's opposite. It's totally opposite of that topic. So
yeah,
I relate that because I knew about that to
yeah,
read. He knows to read
yeah,
and write. So he knows how to do. This is how to do.